Okay, guys, next day for you, same day for me. This is the drill that I'm talking about. And as you can see, it got a lifespan behind it. And this is what I said. It will not run in the one position. Nice, sometimes and sometimes not. So let's dig in. Okay, guys, I'm in. And the problem must sit here with this switch. It's very dirty. Okay, but let me check it out. Okay, guys, my guess is as you press that button for the reverse, there is some contacts there, and you can see there's a contact, and there's the brushes. So when this slide to one side to another, it let it reverse. So now it is in one direction where it might contact there, and then for the reverse it might contact there. And it's very dirty. I just want to show you. If I press this down, okay, this is fully, this is the one side, and then this is the other side. This is the reverse and forward, and probably on this side as well. So let me clean up there. I think this is our problem. It's only dirt. You can see there the contacts. Okay, I'm going to clean it up, bring you back. Okay guys, I clean it up and give it some WD-40 and work it a little bit up and down. So I just hold it with my hand. There's no screws in. So it will run, but if it will run all the time, I think it is in this position that it sometimes runs, sometimes not. And there it will run, I think. Let's test. Okay, let's try the other side. Let's go with the other side. Seems it did work now. Definitely. It was, or is it now this side? One of the sides. Maybe it was the reverse. I think it's fixed, guys. One more. Okay guys, I think this is a quick fix. I'm going to test it for a couple of times more, and I think it was just dirty. Okay, now there's only one more to go, and that's the sander. Okay guys, and here is the little sander, and it doesn't run too good. Let me play the music to you. It loses speed sometimes. Can you hear? So let's maybe it's just a little bit of oil or so, but it will definitely pack up. Sometimes it loses speed drastically. Okay, we are in, guys. So let me see. I can see it's very dirty. There's a bearing. There's a bearing, and the armature look very dirty to me. I think that needs a cleanup. The brushes need a little bit of a clean. So let me check what I can do. Not sure what that is. It looks if it something broke off there. Okay guys, I clean the armature and between the points there, and loop a little bit on the bearings. That's about it what I can do. So let me just put the cover back and give it a try. Okay guys, it's back together, and I take only 2 screws for this cover. That was also off, but let's test it if it's any better. You heard how it ran slowly, sort of. So 1, 2, 3, let's hear. Okay guys, this is fixed up. All that I do is with the test, it vibrates so much that it settled in its position and the screws was loose, and after I done that, it ran now fast and nice. Listen. I think that is about 99% better. Okay, my friends. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.